Hello guys, I hope all of you are doing well wherever you are in this world, guys. Okay, guys, I am back today with a very powerful trick, guys. Okay, this trick is going to help you to win your bet more easily on the OneXBet platform, guys. Okay, guys, please watch the full video so that you understand the trick, okay, so that you'll be able to make the trick work for you. Okay guys, watch the full video to understand. It is very important, guys. Okay, and also guys, those of you that are new here, okay, the only way to never miss any of my new video is to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Okay, and above all, okay, share the video with your friends so that they can also enjoy these tricks on my channel. Okay guys, and those of you that are like me who really like security, as I always said, I'll always continue saying that, okay, the best way you can secure your account is to create a fresh and new account by using the best promo code in the world, guys. Okay, the promo code is DVIP, all in capital letters. This promo code is the best promo code in the world on the OneXBet platform. Okay, this promo code will secure your account, guys. Okay, and whatever the total amount of money you are going to win on the OneXBet platform, you will be able to withdraw it without facing any issue, guys. It's the most secure code, is the most secure promo code in the OneXBet platform, guys. Okay, so guys, we are not going to waste a lot of time. Okay, let's come to England. Okay, let's select England, and before we let's select this match. Okay, the reason why I select this match is that the first remark we can do here, that we can see that these two teams have almost the same level. Okay, this match is going to be very hard. Okay, because this match is going to be very hard. Okay, at the first half, these two teams is going to watch each other. Okay, they are going to watch each other. Okay, so they are not going to, the match is not going to be hot, very hot in the first half. Okay, so this match is going to be very hot from the second half. Okay, so at the first half, okay, the two teams is going to watch each other and see how any team will react. Okay, and also at the first half here, the referee, mostly we know that in any match, okay, at the first half, the referee will just give warnings to the players. Okay, usually the referees that didn't give a lot of cards, whether yellow card or red card in the first half. Okay, in the first half, mostly the referees give warnings. Okay, guys, I hope you understand. Okay, so what you are going to do now, let's click on it. Okay, because we know that this match is going to be a very hard match, and the two teams is going to watch each other from the beginning. Okay, and we also know that in most of the matches, okay, the referees at the first half the referee are not used to give a lot of yellow cards on the first half. Okay, mostly they give more yellow cards from the second half. Okay, so guys, let's find the yellow card option. Okay, so let's come this side. Okay, let's come. Okay, here we have the yellow card option. Okay, so let's select the yellow card option. Okay, let's come down. Our option is down, guys. Okay, okay guys, this is our option. Okay, this is our option, score in each half. Okay, so here, okay, the OneXBet is asking you a very simple question. Okay, here they give you three options. Okay, here sorry guys, they give you here three options, guys. Okay, the first option means that they are asking you if you are sure that there will be more yellow card at the first half. Okay, let's say in total, if you select this option, let's say in total in the match there was 6 yellow cards. Okay, if you select this option, the only way for you to win, it is only when there is 4 yellow card or 5 yellow card in the first half. Okay, it means that for you to win, if you select this option, there have to be more yellow card on the first half than the second half. Guys, I hope you understand. Okay, so this option is almost the same thing. Okay, here it means that, you see this here, 1 equal 2. It means that the same yellow card the referee give at the first half, the referee have also to give the same amount of yellow card in the second half. Okay, it means that there is 2 yellow card at the first half, they have, for you to win, it have also to be the referee have also to give 2 yellow cards at the second half. Guys, I hope you understand. Okay, so but we don't need these 2 options. They are very, very hard for us to win here. It's going to be very, very hard. Okay, so guys, please don't choose this option. Okay, we know that here the 2 teams is going to watch each other. Okay, and we know that here we know that in this match, mostly in the matches, okay, the referee mostly give more yellow card on the second half. Okay, so here we are sure that in this type of matches here, there will be more yellow card on the second half than the first half. Okay, so we just come here, we select this option, and also we are done, guys. Okay, another person can just come here, and also another thing you have to do, okay, is you have to go to sofa score. Let's come to sofa score. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. Okay, let's come to sofa score. Then let's select the day, please, and then let's find the same match. Okay, let's go and find the same match, and then after selecting the same match, now we select one team, each team. Okay, we come to statistics, and we can see here that, okay, make sure that the match you are going to select, that, okay, the average yellow card per match is 2 yellow cards. Okay, the average yellow card per match is 2. Okay, here this show the average yellow card that this team used to get in every match. Okay, we can see that this team used to get 2 yellow cards per match. Okay, so it's good. Okay, if the average yellow card on each match is more than 2, it's okay. Okay, so let's find another team. Okay, the second team. Okay, also we can also see here that we come down. Okay, we can also see that Tottenham 2 used to play more than 2 yellow cards per match. Okay, and it is very good. Okay, it is very good. Make sure that the teams on which you are going to place your bet, each team gets the average yellow card that each team used to play is 2 yellow cards. Okay, this is also very important, guys. Okay, now after this, let's come back to our match. Okay, so a wise person can just find 2 tricks, 2 options who looks exactly like this. Okay, and just select it and win his bet in a very, very easy way, guys. Okay, you find this option like this, you select this option 2 matches, and you win your bet in a very, very easy way, guys. Okay, so guys, if you love this option, tell me what you think about this option on the comment section. Okay, and also share the video with your friends, okay, so that they can also enjoy this trick. Okay, so that they can also learn more on how to play on 1xbet. Okay, guys, and also, guys, now after, as you know, it has been a while I'm not posting any video here. Okay, but now I'm back. Okay, I was not around. Okay, now I'm back, and we are going to start betslip every blessing day. I'm going to upload betslip. Okay, guys, so if only you don't want to miss any of my winning betslips, okay, subscribe and activate the notification bell, guys. Okay, this all I'm going to share with you today. Okay, take care of yourself and have a nice evening. Ciao, guys.